Well, I just can't believe my luck. The bloody battery went on my camera just as I was going to reveal my new Whatsit thingy. So without no further ado, let's take the sheet off. Okay, you say, so what you got there, Jim? I've got two stereos, look, and speakers, so we can have music while we brew. No, only kidding, I've got one stereo, look, so I can listen to Radio 2 and that, being old. But this old baby, let me show you what it is. Basically, this is a 1972 vintage amp that I bought donkeys years ago when I was a kid to listen to me Led Zeppelin and all me prog rock music, and this, nothing to do with it, that's another system. Yeah, so I've got that, look, and that, look, that's from my old computer, my laptop computer that's were outdated and didn't work, and I cannibalised it and got it fitted up to the shed wall, the brew shed wall. So what have I done here? Well, inside here is there's some bits and bobs for brewing, and at the back here is a pie thingy, a pie thing, what's it, and I made it so that I can automate me brewing. So that's it basically. So I shall do a video and show you what it does, etc. hopefully. But it's a brew day today, so bit of a quickie, but I'm sorry that I didn't put this on, and I'll show you it some other time.